Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to get cough drop marker. Follow where I go. This is the room that you can type code. Type Hill Rock 3 times.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say What are you trying to do? You won't find one here. Look somewhere else. Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Pick the marker. SMH.
That's it guys. Also I already take the marker at Monday. Bye.